In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or view the size of your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer's hard drive. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath about. So go ahead and select that. And then scrolling down again underneath related, there should be something that says storage. Go ahead and select that. And then it will have your hard drive space listed up here at the top, how big your hard drive is, as well as how much space is currently being used and how much is currently free. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.